This video will show you 5 feasible methods to transfer data from OPPO to realme in detail. Part 1. Transfer data from OPPO to realme by Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Download and install Mobile Transfer on your computer. Supports both Windows and Mac systems. After installation, launch the software. Step 2. Connect both your OPPO old device and realme new device to the computer via USB cables. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable USB debugging on the two phones to ensure the software can successfully detect the devices. Step 3. After successful detection, the software will automatically identify the two devices. Ensure OPPO is set as the source device and realme as the destination device. If the positions are reversed, click the flip button to switch. Step 4. On the software interface, check the data types you need to transfer. You can select a single type or multiple types at the same time. After confirming the selection, click the Start Copy button to start the data transfer. Part 2. Move data from OPPO to realme through Clone Phone. Step 1. On the realme phone, open the Clone Phone app and select This is a new phone, then choose OPPO realme OnePlus device. A QR code will appear on the screen. Step 2. On the OPPO phone, open Clone Phone, tap This is an old phone, and use the camera to scan the QR code shown on the realme device to establish a connection between the two phones. Step 3. After the connection is successful, select the data you want to transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, videos, and apps, or simply choose Full Migration. Step 4. Tap Start Transfer and keep both phones close to each other with sufficient battery power until the process is completed and the transfer is finished. Part 3. Transfer data from OPPO to realme with Google account. Step 1. On the OPPO phone, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, sign into your Google account, and make sure options such as Contacts, Calendar, App Data, and Google Drive Backup are enabled so your data can be synced to the cloud. Step 2. Wait until the synchronization is completed, then turn on the realme phone and sign in with the same Google account during setup or from the account settings. Step 3. On the realme device, enable data synchronization and choose to restore data from the Google backup, after which your contacts, calendar, and supported app data will be automatically downloaded to the new phone. Part 4. Send data from OPPO to realme via cloud service. Step 1. On the OPPO phone, open a cloud storage app such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Sign into your account and upload the photos, videos, documents, or other files you want to transfer. Step 2. Wait until all selected files are fully uploaded to the cloud, then open the same cloud service app on the realme phone and log in with the same account. Step 3. On the realme device, locate the uploaded files in the cloud and download them to the phone's local storage so they are available offline. Part 5. Transfer data from OPPO to realme using Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on both the OPPO and realme phones, then pair the two devices by selecting the realme phone from the list of available Bluetooth devices on the OPPO phone. Step 2. On the OPPO phone, open the file, photo, or contact you want to send, tap the Share option, and choose Bluetooth as the sharing method. Step 3. Select the realme phone as the receiving device, then accept the transfer request on the realme phone to start receiving the data. Step 4. Wait until the transfer is completed and make sure the files are successfully saved on the realme device.